Bruce Lee statue. They always have it. Enciclovia. Hey, we getting food first. It's yeah. Nah, there's so much room here, bro. We could kick it anywhere after. Dude. Bro's arguing. Yeah, let me take a peek real quick.
Beer, food, water.
Yeah.
I got fucking parts, tools, all the above.
My bad, I didn't see this.
Just look for these the whole time.
Oh, man. Yeah. So great. Can I get some water? Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Greg. Chilling, bro. Good to see you.
Yeah, I brought the manual today.
Yeah.
Manual bike.
Oh, it's a Wabi?
Yeah.
I didn't even notice.
Yes, sir.
I think it's clean.
Thank you, thank you.
Wabi.
No e-bike today?
Yeah, yeah.
We took Mouse Track.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, it's not my birthday, but thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, that's the whole time. That's all that. What's up, brother?
Good seeing you, bro. Yeah.
It's free too.
Peg it. That's a peg.
Last three numbers. 7, 7, 9. That's you?
Oh. No.
Yeah, 806. Here you are. All right, come on out. Come grab it. Tell them a good look.
762.
762. No! Your power in a case of no cap left. We also got plenty of Supercross merch still, so make sure you guys go ahead and grab that on the next run, alright? We're also going to be...
Jeez. Yeah.
Let's go, Johnny.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
My God.
Hey, bro, that's the reason, because I started watching this school. That's how I got into it. Yeah.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, I've been following on YouTube for at least like 2
He
or
like
3 years.
disappeared on it. Oh.
God damn.
Why not race? Do you? We probably got dipped out.
Sheesh. Bro got that. Bro has that, bro.
I can't ride them working my shoulder, bro. I got like 20 hops and then it's, I got just. Oh, is that what it is? Yeah, I had a flat tear. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I'm so scared to get an MRI and they're like, oh, yeah. That's not there, so I just avoid things that like irritate me, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Good amount of people. Yeah, yeah. We gonna vibe for sure. Oh, you good? Oh.
Second, there's a rock.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah. I'm lucky gonna take it chill.
I know, me too.
Yeah. Badass. This will be fast. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Here, put it in gear, lean your ear, cause the beat is real funky, dear.
Hell yeah! Oh yeah! Poop everywhere. "41 hill they want to do. Maybe one of the ones in the neighborhood right here. It gets so hilly this way. It won't be too bad. Maybe. Yeah. This is where the most transplants live. Yeah. These buildings. Oh no, I know how I'm feeling. That one. I think it's somewhere right here to the right.
To get the mail.
That's a library, right?
Came up to get the mail. Hell yeah, bro.
Ah! Oh, sorry. Yo, dude, that was crazy. Yo. Ah! Thank you, please wait. Thank you. Hey! Yo, that was yeah, that was crazy. Yeah.
Outside the phone ringing.
Oh.
East Texas Bell first ended.
Jeez, bro. Finally, we got a little stop.
Este es una.
Trixie spot earlier. We were here earlier. People that ledge 180. Yeah.
I don't like how they stop at every single light.
Yeah.
If it was Cycle Sunday,
Oh my gosh. Hey, I'll be honest, they scare me sometimes a lot. I'm like, fuck.
Hey, let's go to Skid Row. Fuck you.
Maybe we'll pass by Skid Row.
Pass by, probably.
Whoa. Yeah, now we're going that way. Nice.
Shit all look the same.
Bro got folded. Bro. Yo, crazy. What's up, bro? Where's Adam?
We just caught up with you fools.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, that's what's up. Hell yeah. Sheesh. Yeah. Oh man. I'll walk in right now. It was a good day, bro. It was a good day.